Hey, it's Alex Saenger with Keller Capital Properties, and congratulations for going under contract. Now, one of the things that we're trying to do at the Saenger Group is we're trying to bolster our online exposure on the internet with reviews. So one of the things that we've done is my team and I have put together a review incentive program. This gives you the opportunity to write an authentic 5-star review on a lot of different websites. These include Zillow, Google+, Facebook, Yelp, and Realtor.com. Earn up to $250 toward your settlement costs. And by the way, if there's 2 of you selling a house or buying a house, you can both do a review, and that's how you're going to get up to your $250 credit back toward your closing costs. If you have any questions about the review program, be sure to get in touch with me or one of my assistants, and make sure you put a great review that you can stand behind, so that if somebody asks you, is that really true? You can say, absolutely, we love the Saenger Group, and this is why. Thanks so much for being one of our favorite clients, and we can't wait to see what you have to say about our organization online. We'll see you soon at the settlement table.